I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these at home, which should tell you that I really love this and that I use this a lot. Hola, I am the Curly Bella, and my hair is in need of some TLC. So I'm going to be using Olaplex number 3 to bring it back to life. Stay tuned. Okay, so I just finished deep cleansing my hair, which is very important for girls with curly hair. This is why. We use a lot of co-washes. We use a lot of shampoos that don't have sulfates. We use a lot of products that have oils. That is very important to keep our curly hair nourished and to keep it from looking dry and brittle. But when it comes to really removing buildup, our shampoos aren't the best for that. So I made sure to use a shampoo that is specific for removing buildup, just because I want to make sure that when I'm using this bad boy, it will really penetrate my hair and there's nothing that is in the way of it doing its job. So that's step number 1. Now, I like to make sure my hair is very, not soaking wet, but damp when I put in product. So I'm going to section my hair. All right, the reason why I'm doing this is because I have a lot of hair and it's just easier. So I'm going to take my water bottle. So now that my hair is pretty damp, I'm going to separate it in another piece and just work with small sections. Now, I like to really coat it, especially at the ends where it needs the most work. And then use a brush to comb it through. Now, once you're like combing it through, you should see like a white foam to it. I mean, that's pretty coated. So a little bit more. Okay, so once this is done, I like to like do like a big curl. One, because it helps the hair train itself to stay curly, and also it just lets me know that I've done that part already. If you're a friend of mine, or you can just ask my friends, I recommend them using this like die hard, from women that, or men that color treat their hair, that are going through transition, that just have a lot of breakage, or are planning to do something crazy with their hair and want to protect it. I mean, I recommend this to everyone, straight hair or curly hair. But what's very great about this product specifically for curly hair is that naturally our hair tends to break a lot easier. The curliness, the kinkiness of our hair just makes it very easy for it to break. And this just keeps it stronger. It keeps it healthier. It's a bondage. So what it does is that it closes the follicles of the hair to kind of help it stay healthy or help repair it. I'm not saying that this product is going to completely transition your hair and that you don't have to go through cutting out the damaged part of your hairs, but it will definitely help, and it will definitely help to keep it healthy. Yeah, I'm going to continue doing this through my entire hair, and then I'm going to let you know what do I do after all the product is in, and what are the next steps. All right. All right, so my entire head is done. Now, what I like to do is put my hair in a plastic bag. I know. So, the reason behind it is while your hair is in a plastic bag, it's creating heat and it's steeping. So, my science behind it is it's like a facial. You are getting steam blown into your face so that your pores will open and it would absorb all the nutrients. Same thing with your hair. So I take a plastic bag. I put it over my head. And I tie it. Now I'm going to leave it on for 20 minutes, at least 10 minutes minimum is what it says here. And then I'm going to wash it off. Now, what am I gonna wash it off with? Pam, pa, da, pam. Number 5 and number 4. Now, these are great because it has the same treatment as number 3. You're just extending the process. If you have curly hair, I recommend a deep conditioning afterwards. Why? Because this is a treatment. It is not a deep conditioner. You need hydration afterwards. Now, this is great because it will hydrate and protect your hair, it'll clean it, but our hair needs a little bit more than that. So I'm going to leave this on. I'm going to wash my hair and then I will be back. All right, so these are the results from my Olaplex number 3. And you see my hair is very bouncy. My curls are super defined and healthy. It's still a little bit wet, but just look. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Ask Olaplex. I mean, should be a staple in everyone's hair care routine. So I hope you liked it. And thank you. Bye, Bellas.